Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zapier webhooks to connect apps automatically step by step clearly. To activate Zapier webhooks to connect apps automatically, start by logging into your Zapier account. Click on the Make a Zap button to create a new workflow. In the Choose Trigger App search bar, type Webhooks by Zapier. Select Webhooks by Zapier from the list of options. Next, choose the trigger event that suits your needs. For most users, Catch Hook is a common choice. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Zapier will provide you with a unique webhook URL. Copy this URL for later use. Now, go to the application you wish to connect with Zapier. Look for an option to send data to a webhook. Paste the copied Zapier webhook URL into the designated field in your app. Configure any necessary settings or data fields as required by your application. Return to Zapier and click on Test Trigger. This will allow Zapier to listen for incoming data from your app. Once you have sent a test request from your app, Zapier should receive the data. Verify that the test was successful. If everything looks good, click on Continue. Next, choose the action app you want to connect to your webhook. Search for the app and select it from the list. Now, choose the specific action event you want to perform in the action app. Click Continue to proceed to the configuration step. Map the fields from the webhook data to the action app fields. Review your configurations to ensure everything is set correctly. Once you're satisfied, click on Continue again. Zapier will prompt you to test the action app connection. Run a test to ensure that everything is working properly. If successful, you will see a confirmation message. Finally, name your Zap and click on the Turn on Zap button. Your Zap is now active and ready to connect your apps automatically via webhooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.